Breast cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer among Black women. Black women get breast cancer at a lower rate than white women, but are 42% more likely to die of breast cancer than white women. Upon detection, Black women are often at a more advanced stage. One of the causes is because a lot of Black women are simply afraid to learn that they have it. Some Black women may not have access to health care or insurance, causing us to have longer visits in between mammograms. To tie into this, she may not be able to follow up on abnormal mammogram results simply because she may not be able to afford diagnostic testing. Black women do not get the same prompt, high-quality treatment compared to white women, and have the highest odds of getting triple-negative breast cancer, which is aggressive and comes back after treatment. In the United States, less than 1% of all breast cancer cases occur in men. Now that you have the facts, let's talk about this. What is it? Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body that develops when the body's normal control mechanism stops working. Old cells do not die and instead grow out of control. They form new, abnormal cells causing a tumor. However, there are some cancers that do not form a tumor. Breast cancer occurs when cells in the breast divide and grow without their normal control. Tumors in the breast tend to grow slowly. By the time a lump is large enough to feel, it may have been growing for as long as 10 years. Some tumors are aggressive and grow much faster. What are the signs? Lumps, knots, or thickening in the breast or underarm area. Swelling, warmth, redness, or darkening of the breast. Change in shape or size of the breast. Dimpling of the skin or nipple. Itchy, scaly, sore, or rash on the nipple. Pulling in your nipple or your breast. Nipple discharge. Pain in breast that does not go away. Potentially modifiable factors that increase breast cancer risk include weight gain after the age of 18 and or being overweight or obese. This is in particular for postmenopausal breast cancer. How many stages? There are 5 stages of breast cancer, ranging from 0 to 4, being non-invasive to metastatic. Non-invasive means that the cells are contained in the milk ducts. Metastatic means the cancer cells have spread outside of the breast. What are the types? The types of non-invasive breast cancer are ductal carcinoma in situ, where the cells are contained in milk ducts. Situ means in place. Also, lobular carcinoma in situ, which can become invasive. The types of invasive breast cancers are triple-negative breast cancer, which is aggressive and comes back after treatment. It has the highest mortality rate and is the only breast cancer subtype that does not have a therapy to prevent recurrence. Inflammatory breast cancer is harder to diagnose because it does not cause lumps and may not show on a mammogram. Invasive ductal carcinoma begins in milk ducts. Invasive lobular carcinoma is benign in the lobules. Paget's disease of the breast is on or surrounding the nipple. Phallodis tumors of the breast are a form of sarcoma because they grow in the connective tissue of the breast, not in the ducts. This cancer is so rare that a confirmation by a second pathologist is required. Tubular carcinoma is small and consists of tube-shaped structures. Mucinous carcinoma begins in an internal organ that produces mucin. Carcinomas with medullary features don't grow quickly and usually don't spread outside of the breast to the lymph nodes. Invasive papillary carcinoma is finger-like growths which are seen when the cells are looked at under the microscope. Invasive papillary carcinomas can be benign and are otherwise known as papillomas. Metastatic breast cancer are cells that contain abnormal cells as well as soft connective tissue from the breast. Metastatic breast cancer is stage 4 advanced breast cancer. It spreads beyond the breast, arises months or years after a person has completed treatment for early or locally advanced breast cancer. This is sometimes called a distant recurrence. What about prevention? Screening mammography can detect breast cancer at an early stage when treatment is usually less extensive and more likely to be successful. Mammograms are advised to get every single year, starting at age 40. Clinical breast exams are advised to receive every single year by your primary health care provider. Starting at age 20, self-breast exams should be performed every single month. A link will be provided in the description down below showing you exactly how you should perform your self-breast exam. I pray that everyone under the sound of my voice is covered in the name of Jesus. I pray that no sickness, no disease shall come near you or your family or your friends. You guys, I cannot stress this enough. Please go get checked out. Go to the doctor. Do not be afraid of going to the doctor. As Black women especially, we are often and unnecessarily overlooked. Our pain is overlooked. Our health is overlooked. And we are constantly looked at as being strong individuals. But it's okay to go in need. There are too many people who are out here being sick. There are too many people who are dying that do not know, and things could have been prevented, whether it be breast cancer or anything else. I beg of you to take care of your body. I beg of you to take care of those who are around you and inspire someone that you know to go get checked as well. I pray that you have a long, long life ahead of you and that it's filled with good health and many blessings. guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a video that I drop. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed, and comment anything down below, whether it be about breast cancer awareness, something about the makeup, or something about the hair, or even if you just want to say hey. Enjoy the rest of your day. Let's keep glowing and growing together. Mwah.
Fight like a girl. Fight like a girl. Fight like a girl.
Save the boobies.
Fight like a girl.
Fight like a girl.
Save Fight like a girl.
Fight
like a girl. Reflect on me, connect with me.